The Army may be getting to the bottom of all this talk about the so-called flying saucers. Headline edition, July 8, 1947. Has announced that a flying disc has been found and is now in the possession of the Army. Army officers say
All right, nocturnal news. I have a really cool moon anomaly video for you today. Of course, it is a real video. You know, we don't bring you the fake, fake CGI crap here. I'm not sure, guys. Now, look, according to my own research, we have, I believe, 4 or 5 satellites currently orbiting the moon. Okay, one of them left the moon orbit and entered into Earth orbit. It was something left over from the Apollo missions. You know, it broke free from the moon's gravitational pull. Now into Earth, it'll probably burn up in our atmosphere. According to the article that I read. So I'm not sure what it could be. You know, it's not a bird, not a plane. It appears to be tumbling. And now we'll zoom in like always, and you can see that it's almost like a cylinder, right? Or like a tube, or could be a cigar-shaped craft. I don't know, but I sent the video to a friend. Shout out Brandy, by the way. How you doing out there? Thank you for everything. And she said it could be a bird. Now, we've seen a lot of moon videos where a bug will fly in front of the telescope, a bird, a bat, whatever, and it can be mistaken for something close to the moon when in fact, it's basically in between. But not in this situation, because you can actually see the shadow on the moon. So it's definitely I guess flying, orbiting, I'm not sure what to call it or how to characterize what it's doing, hovering above the moon. So, and right there I'm going forwards and backwards just to kind of show you the wobble, almost like it's a tube wobbling. Okay, and then you'll see when it passes by the moon, you can see this like distortion that almost like it's breaking free of the gravitational pull. I don't know. It should be coming up here. Let's see, right there. Okay, you see that? So that tells me that it's obviously, nothing, in front of the telescope or anything like that. Because you can see, the physics, right? The effect that it has, leaving the moon. That light distortion. So I don't know, guys, really weird, nonetheless very, very cool. So I wanted to share it with everyone out there. You guys know I just made a video, the Apollo 17 part 1. Part 2 is coming up. Now here's a close-up right there. See, again, you see the shadow below. Okay, well, it's gone now, but you saw the shadow below, and you can tell it's some kind of almost like a tube, like a cylinder. Really weird, and it does appear to be tumbling. At first it's kind of wobbling, and then it almost starts to tumble, maybe like a rock. Now we could talk about space junk and debris. By the way, did you guys know there is nearly half of 1 million, with an M, 500,000 pounds of trash on the moon left by humans? Look, I was heartbroken to hear that. 400,000, something like a little over 400,000 pounds, according to NASA. Left over from the Apollo missions, satellites, things like that, of man-made objects. 500,000 pounds. That is crazy. You think about what's in our oceans, and now we've literally polluted the moon, and we haven't been there since 1972. Apollo 17. So, it's a little disturbing. But anyway, we'll look at a few close-ups right here. Now that is the orb which I didn't mention earlier. There's kind of like this orb that breaks off of the anomaly, and I wanted to kind of highlight it and show you that's not the actual anomaly right there. You'll see right here, okay, right after it breaks free from the moon, there's like this little ball or orb behind it, and it actually happens 2 or 3 times, so very unusual. Alright guys, there you have it. So sub to the channel, leave a comment below. Shout out to all the Patreon members. You guys go check out UFO Nocturnal News. If you're searching on YouTube, you have to do it all one word. UFO Nocturnal News mashed together. I don't know why. I'll leave a link in the comment section. We're posting daily clips, daily videos, debunking, all the BS videos out there. So thank you, and you guys have a good day.